Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the GMINDAI Smart Study tool. In this video, you'll learn how to upload, create, customize, and export Smart Study materials in just a few clicks. Step 1. Select Smart Study and upload your document. Start by selecting Smart Study and uploading the document you want to transform into study materials. You can choose to create flashcards, quizzes, chat, summaries. Next, preview your upload. Once uploaded, preview the document to confirm it's the right content you want to use. Next, choose your preferred content format. Select the type of content you'd like GMINDAI to generate. Options include flashcards, quizzes, chat, summaries. You can select one format or mix several together. Next, generate your content. Click your preferred option, and within seconds, GMINDAI will create a complete set of study materials based on your inputs. Review the generated content. This ensures your study materials fit exactly what you need. Next, export or save. When you're satisfied, export your content as PDF, Word, or Google Doc. You can also save it directly to your GMINDAI library for future use. To access your saved documents, on GMINDAI platform, go to My Workspace. Click the drop-down menu, select My Library to view all saved files next. Explore additional features. Discover extra tools that help you personalize assessments even further, making your study sessions more effective. And that's it. You're now ready to create fast, accurate, and professional study materials using GMINDAI. For more tutorials, visit our Help Center or subscribe for updates. Enjoy GMINDAI, powered by GoToCourse.